Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be going over the windshield wiper de-icer button. And how it works is, let me show you from the outside, is you have to have it, it's an option, but little wires in the glass underneath the windshield wipers, there'll be like 3 or 4 of them. And can't quite see them here. They might have to install them at the dealership, or you can install them. But anyway, the button, this particular model does not have it, but it's right here. This square right here is where the button will be for the de-icer for your windshield. Now this is a 2010 RAV4, and they got the front defrosting and rear defrosting, but there's windshield de-icing too, which will be an option that you can purchase at the dealership or put in yourself. And it's right here. And the button, you would press the button in for 15 minutes. It'll run for 15 minutes and it'll shut off, and you press it again. Just it's similar to your defrosting up here, similar to those buttons. Cold weather. So this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great, wonderful day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be checking out a feature, which is the de-icer. It's a feature that I do not have, and it's right here. As you can see, I can go to the dealership and they can install it, or I can buy it and install it myself, which it's not a pretty bad idea. But anyway, the de-icer is right here, and on this model, like I said, it's the 2010 RAV4. This feature option that you can purchase, it'll be a de-icer, and so it'll prevent ice from building up on the windshield and wiper blades, and this will just be an on-off button, so it'll automatically turn off after 15 minutes, and so you just press it. If you have the smart key system, you turn the engine to on, and then you just press it and it'll activate it. It's just a nice little windshield wiper de-icer. I would surmise that this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. On some models of the RAV4, you can get an additional feature right here in this spot. You have to pay extra money at the dealership, but what you will get here is a window de-icer.